We are playing I Am a Cat. So, Granny, her face is ugly. Okay, let's start the game. Okay, I hope you like this one because I Am a Cat. This is my first time playing I Am a Cat. I haven't played that for. Hey, new. Are are you new to the neighborhood? Okay, never mind. I'm hungry.
What happens if I eat the mushroom?
What is that? Okay, now let's go. Yeah, don't eat that. I'm gonna ruin the whole house. Whack-a-mole. Yeah. Yeah, get out. You're not supposed to get up there. Get ah. I need an ad for this.
Looking for the perfect
Okay,
mix of building.
I'm back. That was good. Ah! That's weird. Yeet! Let's throw that thing in. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh. Another. How was to get out there? Oh, I keep missing. Oh. Get this out of here! Oh, come here! Oh, come at me, Granny!
Finish here! Finish here!
Yeah, take that, Granny. What you gonna do about it? You gonna do about it, huh? What you gonna do about it, Granny? Yo, Granny! Yo, Granny! Yo, Granny! Okay, not that. Okay. Okay. Better clean up because I don't want to be mean or something. Oh, hello, Caddy. There you go. Well, I can hit you, Granny. Oh, whoa, whoa! I can climb. Oh. Yeet. Easy. And yeet. Bye bye. Let me fix that. You're kidding me. I had to do this over again when I reset. Is that Squidward? Hey, Squidward! Yeah. Hey, Granny. Yeah. Don't worry. I'm just gonna put the book somewhere. Nice! Mission complete. Just gonna... Me too. Yeet! Yeet that book! Just Granny. Oh my! Back on action. Hey, hello, books. Yeet! Hey, Granny. Huh. I completed. You're supposed to do that. Yeah. You're fine. Is this? Oh! Hello, Granny. I'm not doing nothing. Where's my mission? Ah! Oh my! Why are these ads keep coming up? Oh, I know now. There's a timeout. The ad will come. This thing I need to go up. Wait, what? There's something up there. Banana peel. Ooh. Come on, these need more. Supposed to be ads. Oh, I can use this. Hello, dinosaur. Oh. Oh my gosh. There. whoa. Hey, you, we need help. This granny's laughing like a turkey. Is this real life? Okay, let's go.
Today, I want to
Let's do some. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. And I don't know why it keeps showing on my screen. Oh, how was it get up there? Get out. Okay, she did. Get away. Nope. Get out of my way, dinosaur. Made it. Oh, no. Wait a second. Okay. Let's jump. Miss. Get popped. Oh my gosh. You can be here.
Today, I want.
Okay. Is she? Okay. That's it. Okay, now.
Say some rain.
Come on, give me the fish. Give me the fish. Okay, that was weird. Come on. Come up. Got you, fishy. I'm hungry. So hungry. I'm very, very, very hungry. No. Okay. Lead away. So hungry. Ugh.
I'm ready. I'm going to me. Huh?
I will put you right there, fishy. Okay, get the pan. And
A normal resting heart rate
oh my. Okay, what's up? Did the pen just glitch? No way, just glitch. Oh, another pen. funny. Woo! I'm supposed to get potatoes. Nah. Is it gonna work? Ooh.
A normal resting heart rate is
Cooking fish. Oh, is he alive? He's dead. Whatever.
I'm ready. I'm going to me.
Fishy's dead. Let's see, let's see. Is he still alive? Okay, that was so funny. Just kill a fish. Oh no, guys, wait. Okay. Get, eat. Oh, hey, Grandma, I'm just feeding some fish. Okay, I'm gonna put this out. Any fish? Oh, yes. Come. No, come on. Now I'm gonna cook more fish. Oh, oh!
This app can visualize your weirdest.
Okay. Let me go up. And jump! No! Wait, is there any way to go upstairs? Wait, Grandma. Oh, she? Oh, there's the fish we oofed.
I want it.
Like, how am I supposed to open it? Ew! Oh, no! Oh, this part. Huh, I cannot open it. We're just gonna get some fish. Oh, this one is perfect. Wait, what? I'm back. Yes! Yes! Okay. Oh, we're back.
Do you want to see your village or
I'm back. And did just fishes become alive? What's the dead? They just revive himself? Nah.
I'm ready. I'm going to make it.
What? Sorry, Granny. No.
Run this year. Run this year.
Oh, I missed. Sorry.
Run this year.
Come here, Granny. Idiot. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, baby. Look at what I'm gonna do, Granny.
Okay, Granny, I'm over here. There we
Whoa.
go. Now for the difficult part. Okay, here we go.
Yo.
Oh, what the? All right, you can see she sort of went in the right direction. She went over.
Oh, that was so awesome. Oh my god, that was so awesome. You know what I'm gonna do to you, Granny? I'm gonna put you here. Granny, you stay here. Ooh! Nah, I'm just playing with Granny. Nope. Oh, yeah. Just gonna put Granny there. Okay, Granny. Ah! Granny's stuck there. Take that. Get hanging the wall. Granny? Where did she go? Granny, how did she become alive? Okay, gonna mess her up. Eeh. Hey, Granny. Whoop-pow!
Run this year.
Hoo-hee.
It's an Oscar.
Come here. Oh, Granny. No, Granny. You know what you're gonna do? You're gonna stay in there for a week, Granny. Okay, stay grabbing her. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, Granny? What you gonna do, Granny? I'm just gonna... What you gonna do, Granny? What you gonna do, Granny? This lady, it's so bad. Okay, lady. Okay, you're gonna stay there, Granny. Haha, no. Oh, she's smiling. She died. Granny? Granny? Oh, she died. Rubber Granny, I'm sorry. Oh, she became back. Whoa, what's your step, Granny? Oh, okay. She's not nice.
What a fun game I
Oh my
found for
god.
you.
Okay, yeah, my. Oh yeah! Okay. Oh yeah! You stupid Granny. Idiot. He's in the wall, Granny. Yeah. Oh well, I'm gonna just. Why am I in it? No. Oh my gosh. I'm here, Granny. I'm gonna whack your butt.
What a fun game I found for you.
Oh my god.
If you want to pick a loser, try it. You just need to put.
Oh, Granny's sleeping? Nah, I'm gonna put it in the chair. Feel about that, Granny? Sure, I need him. Oh, you. No, you'll never come here again, Granny. You little brat. Granny's coming with me. That's how you ugly you are. And stay here. Stay. I'm here to protect myself. This one is my protection.
What happens if I eat the mushroom?
Oh my god. Okay, let's go slow game. Hey, Granny. Rocking your butt. Stay in there. Dude. I need you, buddy. Come here. Yeah, take that, donkey. Eh. Come here. Running in circles. Granny, come here. You want Granny? Oh. Not that. Yeah, that's how you will stay in the balcony. Oh, not this guy. Okay, that was it. Granny, stay in there. Granny just have stay in there. Oh, my need protection. Hi, Granny. Yo, Granny. Granny, look what I got. ABC block. What? Okay, let me take that from you. Hedgehog, yeah. I'm gonna do something to you. Oh. Sorry. Let me do something for you, Granny. I'm gonna put you in the sofa. Here. You're staying in here, Granny. Oh my god. Okay, right back. Look at this Granny. Look at this Granny. I'm gonna put it in here. What's this? Who? She died. That was easy. Oh my gosh. Your Granny. You look at me! Let me see. Boxton! Boxton!
As if an Oscar.
Let me help you. Oh, wow. Oh. Wow. Yeah, Granny. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Get out, young lady. Granny? Granny? What? Granny? Oh, pow! Oh, I got it!
Run this year.
Oh, shit.
Run this year. As if an Oscar.
Oh, Granny. Granny, Granny.
Run this year.
Take that, big Granny. Good to see you. Yo, this is a funny game. Oh, my sisters just say, are you recording? I'm just saying yes. That's how, and I'm done. Okay, what you been, Granny? I put her here. Yeah, Granny seems dead in here. I want you dead. Okay. Granny, you good? A bowling ball. Oh. Yo, I didn't kind of need that. Now throw at Granny. 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 Hey, Granny. Wow, pow. Oh, it just missed. Hello, Buggy. Hello. Yeah. Just go. Wow. Gonna whack you. Gonna whack you. Gonna whack you. Hee hee hee. Granny, wake up! It's time for school. Yo, Granny. Yo, Granny. Okay, this is Granny. You, Granny. You little. Rip up, Granny. Rip up, Granny. Say to your wives. And yoink!
Finish here.
Thank you for watching, and I need some help. Help! Woo! Come here, Granny.
Finish here.
Thank you for liking, subscribe, and I need your help. Yo, Bucky!
There's the rescue.
Wow! Ah! Oh, I need to get revenge. Good. Oh, yo, I'm gonna whack her butt. Where are you, Granny? Hi, Granny. Oh, Boxton. I need to whack your butt. I'm ready. Oh my god. Okay, I need to wait for Granny. Granny's talking forever.
I want it.
Oh, Granny. Hey, you wanna get something, Granny? Huh?
Raise and wing.
Okay, Granny. What will you say? Okay. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. And hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the comment down below. Who's gonna beat up Granny? Part 2, I'm gonna beat up Granny so hard. She already hit me with a pen, but I'm gonna whoop her. And that's all. Bye.